Hello, oh Mick Jagger. Well, all right, maybe I'm Paul Ferrace, but they're playing right over there in a few hours at the stadium, and we're going to do something louder than them, hopefully. We got some new air thanks to the Cleveland Fire Department, and we've been tweaking the horn. We haven't fired it in a few years, so we're going to be test firing our horn. And I know Mick Jagger, I'm pointing at you, he's going to hear it, even with his earplugs in. He's going to hear Cod's horn. Interestingly enough, Mick, you're 1 year older than the Cod, so put that into perspective. So my crew's been hard at work tweaking, and we're going to be tuning the horn with some crowbars, and we'll be firing it. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, that tickles my eardrums.
Okay, buddy, we're done.
All right, what about the actuator up on the bridge? All right, one more time. This one's for the Rolling Stones. By the way, those of you who want to see what's going on below the superstructure, go back to our earlier program on the hidden Liberty Launch cradle. Evan will put a link to that. Here's our piano tuner with his tools, the crowbar and the 4-pound rubber mallet. So this isn't exactly a Steinway piano, is it?
No, not the way he tuned it with a crowbar.
You need a hand, Doc?
I'll get the right orientation.
Yeah, I think you got to turn around 180 degrees. So here we are up on the bridge. This is the horn actuator handle, and I think we just cleared the sinuses of at least a dozen of our visitors. You know, bringing the boat to life is important. Keeping systems functional, also very important. So thanks to the fire department recharging our air banks, we now have enough air to you know, check to make sure that the horn, which was ever so valuable during our tow and during some subsequent Pearl Harbor Day commemorations, was still functional. And as we heard, good Lord, it is. So just one of the many things we do on Cod to keep the boat alive. Luckily, we did alert the Coast Guard. A couple of their sailors went tumbling, I think, across the parking lot. But anyway, again, I'm Paul Ferrace, USS Cod Submarine Memorial President. And remember, hit the like, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And we'll be back with more exciting information and content from the USS Cod Submarine Memorial. I do want to give a big shout out to our team, Daryl Flint, Lou Vertostic, Dr. Bradrick, Dave Cracy, for making sure all the plumbing and piping was aligned and ready to go. And of course, Evan behind the camera, who still will be beaten severely. That's a separate video though. Anyway, we'll see you soon with some more content. Thanks.